I'm Donna Emery from Glover Nursery in West Jordan, Utah. Today we're going to learn about gardening with daylilies. Daylilies will fit into almost anyone's garden anywhere in the country. They're from the genus Hemerocallis. They're not a true lily, but they're in a separate family. We have a few here. Most daylilies range in color from yellows to oranges, peaches, almost pink and almost purple and almost white, but not a true white. These plants are called daylilies because each stem sends up a stalk with many buds, but each flower only lasts a day before fading away. But don't worry, there's plenty more to come. They grow in clumps, and after being in your yard for several years, you can divide them and get more plants. They're very, very easy to propagate. You can buy them as divisions in a bag in the early spring or later in the summer as starts such as these. If you want to divide the ones you have, we'll pretend this is one we just dug up out of the yard. And you can see there's several different shoots coming up here. I can actually take this and slice into it. It looks pretty dangerous, but really the plant will survive just fine. And I pull apart these individual fleshy roots. I could keep going and pull these three apart, but I kind of like the cluster of three. So I'm going to pick a sunny, well-drained spot to plant them in. They will grow in shade. They won't bloom as much in shade, but they will tolerate it. However, the color may be a little bit different in shade than it is in sun. So I'm going to need to dig a hole at least that depth, 6 inches or more deep. And luckily I can use the handle of my shovel as a guide. This soil has been recently amended and fertilized, so I'm not going to add anything right now. Just gently backfill, keeping the plant upright. I don't want to get it too deep. Water in well and fertilize a few times during the summer. Daylilies can be once blooming, usually in the early summer around June, or like this variety, which is fairy tale pink. This is a repeat bloomer. This will continue to bloom several times throughout the summer. I personally choose daylilies that say they're repeat blooming, and I also pick the ones that have a nice fragrance. I'm Donna Emery from Glover Nursery in West Jordan, Utah, and we've been talking about gardening with daylilies.